far back as I can remember, I've always had this desire to find out what the truth is. Everything just seemed off. Not much made sense. Why do we have to go to school? Why do we have to learn these subjects? Who made those rules? What do they have to gain from it? I've spent over a decade screaming, crying, bleeding, begging in pursuit of the truth. I lost my family at one point. I had to start over. I went to jail. And all the while, this voice was in my head. Give up. You're not meant to know these things. Just live your life. Don't worry about it. This is too much for you. It's too big for you. There's no truth. But I never gave up. Just like that duck quacking in the background. You know, I'll be 35 next month. And all of the seeking and the suffering and the struggles that I've been through, people telling me that I'm crazy and or something's wrong with me or whatever, has led me to the same destination every time. And it was a path. It was a straight and narrow path. And it was a man. It was God in the flesh. It was Jesus Christ. And he is the only one that can quiet that urge and that desire. He's the only one that gives me peace. And he's the only one who has said all along, I am the way, the truth, and the life. The truth. And take it for what it's worth. You know, I'm nobody special. I'm just another person. But you can stress yourself as much as you want. Or you can get alone somewhere and talk to Jesus and find out for yourself that what I'm telling you is true. Because in a world of lies, he is the truth.